have this unfinished wood circle. You can find these right at Lowe's. And I'm going to paint the entire thing using some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. And then I'm going to set that aside to fully dry. I have this floral craft ring that I got from Michael's. This is also a 12-inch craft ring. And then I got a pack of these Starfish right off of Amazon. And I'm going to arrange them along the craft ring. Now my craft ring had these small little holes in it, so I'm trying to use the larger Starfish to cover those with the arms, and then I'm just placing the smaller ones in between. Once you have them set as you'd like, I'm going to take some hot glue and hold them in place. Now you can also use a more industrial strength glue, which will be the E6000. But I'm going to be painting on top of this, which is also kind of going to give it extra hold as well. Once I have the Starfish in place, I'm going to take my Wise Owl, Snow Owl, and paint the entire thing. Now, you certainly could paint the craft ring first, place your Starfish, and then paint over the Starfish, whichever is easier for you. This worked fine for me to do it this way. And then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to take my Wise Owl furniture salve. This is one of our top coats, and my 2-inch palm brush. And I'm going to apply it on top of my Starfish and on the craft ring as well. And I'm just going to give it a nice good top coat. And then I'm going to take the circle that we had painted with the Higgins Lake and top coat that as well. I'm going to go back to the craft ring with the Starfish, and I'm going to paint on top of it with my Wise Owl Higgins Lake. And because I did the Wise Owl furniture salve, when I take a baby wipe and wipe on top of the Higgins Lake, it will remove it in some areas, allowing the white to peek through. So on the smaller Starfish, there was some raised spots, and I wanted the raised areas to be white. And then on the larger Starfish, there's a texture to it, so when I wipe it, the Higgins Lake kind of sits inside that texture. You can also just do a light dry brush if you don't want to wipe on and wipe off. But again, I just load it up with some paint and then take my baby wipe and just wipe off as I want in certain areas. And I'm going to make the craft ring look a little distressed as well. So that does not have to be a perfect coverage. I like some of the Snow Owl peeking through. And you can just mess with this till you have it how you are happy. And this is what it looks like up close. I'm going to go back to the wood circle, and I'm going to place the craft ring with Starfish on top of it. And then I found the sign that says "Make a Wish Upon a Starfish." This was at Dollar General for $1. I'm going to remove the hanger and place that in the center. So using the hot glue, I'm just going to glue that on the center of my circle. And then I'm going to glue the craft ring on top of the circle. And I'm just using the hot glue, but you can certainly use wood glue or the E6000. And to finish it off, I have my Decor wax. This is gold. And I'm going to place it on my Starfish. So you just put a very small amount on your fingertip, and you can just rub it on top of where you desire. And I love this Higgins Lake with the gold. And this goes a long way, so you only need a small amount on your fingertip, and you just rub it wherever you wish. And this Decor wax is just great for any project with detail. And there you go. Here's a Make a Wish Upon a Starfish wall hanging. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, stencils, and Decor wax can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.